Hello, this is Morris Xavier Conway. I'm going to go over adding and subtracting with base 10 on an Abacus and adding with base 5 on an Abacus. Okay, we have our Abacus base 10 form out, and we're going to start with from the right. The number is 68.99 plus 47.14. So, first we're going to get it up. Ones place is going to be 9. Tens place it's going to be 9. Hundreds place it's going to be 8. And thousands place it's going to be 6. Now, we are going to add 47.14. So, start from the right, from the ones. You add 1. That makes 10. So now, borrow from here. Bring it back down. 2, 3, 4. Now we go over to the next place value. See, this is already 10, so you're gonna already add this to the thousands. Bring this back down. And now we're gonna add 1. Next we go over to our thousands place and we're adding 7. Add 1. Sorry for the hundreds. So now we have to borrow from the thousands. Bring this back down. We start off with 1. Now it's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. You go to the thousands. We are adding 4. That's 1, 2, 3. So now we're at 10. Have to bring it back down and borrow from the 10,000s place. And we add 1. So we have 1 in the 10,000s, 1 in the thousands, and our hundreds. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1 in the tens, 3 in the 1. So our total is 11,000. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 613. Okay. Let's get to the next problem, which is subtraction. We start with the higher number as well again. It's going to be 6423, which is 6,423. So we start with our thousands. We start with our ones, I'm sorry. It's going to be 3. Tens is 2. Hundreds is 4. And the thousands place is 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now we're going to subtract 1,468 from that. So we start from the left. In subtraction, you're going down. So it's 1, 2, and 3. Don't have enough, so we got to take from my neighbor the tens place. Bring this back up. Remember, we stopped at 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Now we go over to our tens place. We need to subtract 6 from this. So we got 1. Now we need to borrow from my neighbor from the hundreds. We bring this down, subtract 1, and bring this back up. Now it's 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now we're in a hundreds place. The number we're subtracting is 4. So we track 1, 2, 3. Now we have to borrow from this neighbor. Bring this down, bring this back up, and 1 more. And from the thousands place, we are subtracting 1. Now you should have your answer. Let's go down the list. At the thousands place, you have 1, 2, 3, 4. The hundreds place, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Tens place, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And in the ones place, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So your total is going to be 4,955. Now we have our Abacus base 5. As you can see, there's only 5 beads instead of 10 on this one. So we're going to start with the bigger number as well on this one. And the problem is 4,343 plus 1,422. We're going to start with the ones as well from right to left. And it's 3. 1, 2, 3. Tens place is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next one is 3. 1, 2, 3. And the last place is 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now we're going to add 1,422, and this is in base 5. So it's something we have to remember. First number is 2. So 1, 2. Well, we're in base 5. Have to bring this back down. And you add it over here to the tens place. Since that's at 5, you have to bring that back down and add 1 here. Now we have to add 2 to this. 1, 2. The next number in the sequence is 4. So we go 1. We're at 5 again, so we have to bring it back down. Borrow from our neighbor. 2, 3, 4. Now we see this is at 5, so we have to bring it back down. Move this up 1, and then we count again. 1. So when we add 4,343 in base 5 to 1,422 in base 5, your answer is 1 and 1 is 11,320 in base 5.